Sanmonani, hello, Dumilang on a Monday afternoon holiday, June 16. Happy Youth Day to everybody. I hope I'm going to post this video today. Yeah, let me post it today rather. This is a different thing that I'm doing today. There is a comment on the comment section that I got out of the videos that I did. No, guys. Ngesinye isikhathi ukuba i-content creator akukho lula. Being a content creator, I find it to be the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. I've always been somebody who is not afraid to be a public speaker. Let me just give you a bit of my background from high school, or rather from primary. I've always been at the forefront ezintweni ezihambisana nokukhuluma phakathi, especially when it comes to aboma speech and debate, delivering poetry, things like that, literature. I've always been an A student when it comes to things that has got to do with talking and expressing yourself. Funny enough, I was a very shy child when I was growing up. Got somehow there was a different light that will just blow up on me whenever I'm being given a task to explain literature, whenever I'm given a task to write a short piece about myself, to write a short piece about my family, to be creative and write poetry, even when I was expected to act it. Angikaze ngibe nenkinga ukwenza, but I found myself in this position of being a content creator khona manje in a podcast, and let me rather say ukuthi I really appreciate each and everyone who comes into this podcast abuke ngedatha yakhe, abuke ama-adverts angisapothe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kulabo ababuka nama-adverts, because ngicela ukukubalula lokhu ukuthi uma ubuka i-content oyibukayo ku-YouTube especially and uskip ama-adverts, uyayibulala leyo content creator. Kodwa ngikho lapha, but nje ngicela ukukubalula ukuthi ngicela manibuka Nkosi yami nibe nesineke nama-adverts. I know ukuthi they are very annoying, kodwa-ke angikho lapho. Ngisekutheni kunzima ukuba i-content creator. Here usebenza ngabantu abangakwazi, ongabazi, ongenandaba nabo, abangenandaba nawe wena onendaba nabo. Because you are delivering this content, you have got a certain aim ukuthi you are aiming, mhlampe ufuna, well, let me talk about myself. Mina ngi-aima ukwenza umehluko, ngi-aima uku-educate, ngi-aima uku-create i-awareness, ngi-aima ukwenza nje umehluko in so many different ways. So loko angidingi nanokuthi ngize ngichaze kakhulu uma kuwukuthi kade uqalile ukungilandela lento engiyenzayo, kade uqalela ukuba i-part of this beautiful community. Ingakho ngikubiza nge-life graduate, ngoba you have been through so much in life, but yet congratulations, ngoba as much as you have been through so much, you are here still thriving and making it work. Kodwa-ke engifuna ukusho ukuthi ngicela sifundisane ubuntu, sizocathulisana kancane kancane, ngoba ngayikhetha le niche education ngesizathu. Ngicela sifundisane ubuntu ey'ntweni ey'hlukahlukene ey'ningi. Uma ungena kulo mndeni, azi ukuthi ungena emndenini la uzokwakheka khona, uzokhuliseka khona, i-mindset yakho izoshintsha, i-stereotype sakho is gonna be broken down, and uzoba ne-awareness, uzofunda izinto eziningi la. Kodwa at the same time, as silapho kuleyo niche yokufundisana, ngicela ukuthi sifunde ukubekezelelana, ukuthi siphuma emakhayeni angafani, sijwayele ukukhuluma ngendlela nabantu ezingafani. Abanye bethu inhlonipho abayazi ne-explanation ukuthi inhlonipho iyini. Abanye bethu abanandaba and bla 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 bla. So kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi uma ula akuzame ukuzifundisa ukuthi ube nobuntu, futhi noma ukhomenta ngendlela ephilayo nezomphilisa nomunye umuntu ongale meka receive i-comment. The reason ngenza this video, guys, because I saw this comment as I'm going through the comments. You will know by now ukuthi ngiyafunda ama-comments, and I do put a heart. If I do not put a heart, I like. If I do not put a like, I will even respond. This comment, guys, at first mangiyibuka ngiqale ngaba offended ukuthi hayibo uthini lo azongitshela ukuthi njengoba ngiwathinta nje kubaji athi ucela ngingawathinti amakhala uma ngabe ngenza i-story because ngiyamphazamisa yena ufuna ukubuka indaba. Yabona, it sounds very offensive because you ask yourself ukuthi, so what if ikhala lami liyaluma? Ngenze njani njengoba liluma njengamanje? Ngingaqhubeki nokukhuluma indaba ngibe ngilwa ikhala. It's not like ngenza into enyanyisayo ngigumba amakhala ngifake imino emakhaleni. I'm just doing this. That's what I usually do most of the time. I know myself. This is what I usually do when I touch my nose. Kodwa-ke, for the sake of educating you and for the sake of ukuthi sikwi-educational channel, kuney'nhlobo zabantu ezimbili. Kunalolu hlobo labantu laba olungahlukani nalama-specialist doctor abizwa ngama-ENT, ear, nose and throat. Ear, nose and throat. And let me tell you, mnikazi we-comment, ukuthi I am one of those people abangahlukani nalawo ma-specialist, because one thing that is always giving me problems is my eyes. Mangihleli nawe, I will keep on doing this. Ayaluma, aba-irritated, and worse, it's winter now. You will even think ukuthi mhlampe uney'mbici and I'm trying to ukukhombisa ukuthi sula. Meanwhile, it's not like that. It's just me, amehlo ami ayaluma because ngi-cyanotic, ngumuntu kadokotela, ear, nose and throat specialist. And lokho kwenza ukuthi namakhala ami ayaluma half the time. But ngazifundisa, ngazijwayeza ukuthi ukuze kungabi i-habit, aluma to an extent ukuthi ngathi ngaze ngithathe i-tissue ngithi ayaluma nje okwangempela, especially njengoba kuse-winter nje, kunemoya, kuney'ntuli nani nani, and half the time mina mangenza i-content ngiyenza ngibuya emsebenzini, mangiqeda ukugeza ngingena endlini ngingena ngaphakathi and I do your content. Hence, you always see me, I'm in my gown when I'm doing ama-story times wenu. And kade ngihambe emoyeni emnyango, anything is possible. So if you see me doing this, ngazifundisa ukuthi ngingawagumbi ngifake iminwe ngifake i-tissue, ngoba I told myself if I continue doing that ngizokwenza noma sengiphakathi kwabantu. Hence I always do this just to shake the feeling away ukuthi ayaluma. So uma ngibona nginwaya ngithi amakhala, ngithinta amakhala, ngiwathinta ngoba I'm a sinuses, ngiwumuntu onama-sinuses. Omunye umuntu uzomthola ethi it's very irritating. Omunye umuntu ekuseni uzomthola ethi it's very irritating. Yes, I know. But what do you want me to do? Ngiyeke ukudeliver i-story just because amakhala wami ayaluma? Yes, I do understand your side of the story ukuthi especially I used to experience this a lot. Ngesikhathi senze izinto safundisa face to face, uthole ukuthi kune-facilitator or kuno-teacher or kune-trainer emi phambi kwakho and is busy doing into esinax, mhlawumbe busy lwana namakhala or ifake iminwe or yenza ini. Yes, it's true, that can take your distraction away from into eshow umuntu ugcina unakala into ayenzayo. Kodwa be considerate ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi loyo muntu mayeyenza loyo yinto leyo akayenzi ngoba ethanda, uyenza ngoba uphoqwa isimo. Even at that point is even doing it at a very very decent manner because ucabangela wena ukuthi wena akafuni ukuthi ube offended. So uma ngibona ngithi amakhala mangixoxa story ayaluma because I'm cyanotic. So ngicela ukubuza kuwena as sifundisana as an educational channel, usuggest ukuthi ngenze njani amakhala ama eluma in the middle of the story? Ngenze njani? Ngisiyeke i-story ngingaqhubeki naso, nginwaya amakhala ngiqede ngiqhubeke ne-story? What is your opinion uma ngabe uthi angiyeke ukunwaya amakhala? Ngoba njengamanje ngiyakhuluma, ikhala lami ngiyalithinta because liyaluma still. And akwenzi ukuthi iy'ndlebe zakho zingezwa ukuthi wena ngithini ngaleso sikhathi. And it's not like izandla zami zike emakhaleni from i-start of the story up until the end of the story. You can still hear what I'm saying. And we do appreciate i-comment yakho nombono wakho. Sicela uphinde ucommente futhi usho ukuthi umbono wakho uthini. Amakhala ami mangabe eluma ngesikhathi ngenza i-content, suggest ukuthi ngibokwenze njani. As si-channel that is educational, highly educational. Let's share, asifundisane, mhlampe ikhona into entsha singayifunda from you. Kodwa-ke I just wanted to share my side of the story ukuthi amakhala ngiwathinta because nginenkinga yokuthi nginama-sinuses. That's the only thing I can do just to shake the feeling away and continue work. Ngiyabonga. Sibonge sisazofunda okusha kuwe.